I can swim.
I can swim.
I can play the guitar.
I can play the guitar.
I can help you with your homework.
I can help you with your homework.
I can cook dinner tonight.
I can cook dinner tonight.
I can run faster than you.
I can run faster than you.
I can solve math problem.
I can solve math problem.
I can speak multiple languages.
I can speak multiple languages.
I can handle this situation.
I can handle this situation.
I can read these books in one day.
I can read these books in one day.
I can clean my room daily.
I can clean my room daily.
I can bake a cake.
I can bake a cake.
I can fix my car.
I can fix my car.
I can paint the wall.
I can paint the wall.
I can lift heavy box.
I can lift heavy box.
I can ride on horse.
I can ride on horse.
I can take care of my garden.
I can take care of my garden.
I can play tennis.
I can play tennis.
I can paint a beautiful picture.
I can paint a beautiful picture.
I can hear the birds singing outside.
I can hear the birds singing outside.
I can sew new dress.
I can sew new dress.
I can memorize this list easily.
I can memorize this list easily.
I can take a nap if I feel tired.
I can take a nap if I feel tired.
I can adopt a puppy this year.
I can adopt a puppy this year.
I can save money.
I can save money.
I can participate in charity event.
I can participate in charity event.
I can jump.
I can jump.
I can make sandwich.
I can make sandwich.
I can feed my dog.
I can feed my dog.
I can wash the dishes.
I can wash the dishes.
I can tie my shoes.
I can tie my shoes.
I can jump rope.
I can jump rope.
I can share my toy.
I can share my toy.
I can take shower myself.
I can take shower myself.
I can sow the seeds.
I can sow the seeds.